Hi friends, welcome to Sharon's Green Planet. Just thought of doing this video on growing tomatoes in containers, which I'm sure most gardeners are already growing them and enjoying the harvest. This video is to encourage those who want to start their own kitchen garden. It's never too late. Tomatoes being the very easiest to grow without buying any seeds from the nursery. You just have to get a tomato from your kitchen and start. First, you have to get a small pot or any container which is at home and ensure that you make holes at the bottom for the drainage. You then can take the pulp out of the tomato for sowing. The soil should be loose. You can either buy potting mix from the nursery or just take the garden soil from your garden, and if you have coco peat or vermicompost, you can mix that to the soil. Water the soil well so that it gets nice and firm. This is very important so you can even check the drainage. Now you can take the pulp and spread on the soil. Ensure that no seeds overlap each other, and then after that you can spread a thin layer of soil over it. The soil should be loose with no stones or any lumps. After this, you must water the soil well. Ensure that the soil is always moist. The container must now be kept in a partial sunny place. You will see small sprouts shoot up in 4 to 5 days. And once they grow to about 4 to 6 inches tall, you can then transplant these seedlings into separate containers. Now you can pull out the thick stemmed ones and transplant it to a bigger container. You will notice small hair-like structures on the stem. This will form into roots once it is buried in the soil. That is why the seedling should be transplanted deep into the soil so that the roots form and the plant becomes stronger. Immediately, you must put water for the plant. Always ensure that your soil is moist and feed the plant every 15 days with a handful of vermicompost. You will soon have the pleasure of seeing the plant grow and produce flowers and lovely tomatoes ready for you to use in your kitchen. I urge you to start your kitchen garden by growing tomatoes, which is very easy to grow and maintain. If you have any queries, please let me know in the comments column and I will be happy to help. All the best and happy gardening.